authority. And Benji's behavior teaches him that he doesn't have to trust or respect the police. He's learning again that the norms of society don't apply to him.
In 1996,
Did I wake you up, darling?
he lacked this one. They're training all the time. He also got to have a good time with his mates.